Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change language in Snake Clash application using your mobile device. To change your language setting in Snake Clash, first of all, open up the Snake Clash application on your device and from the main home screen, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will bring you open the settings menu where you need to tap on the language option. There you should find different languages available. Simply go ahead and select a different language you would want to change to, and this will change the display language setting. And that's how you easily change your language of your preference on Snake Clash. You can always go back and repeat the same step in order to change back to a different language setting. So that is how you easily change language in Snake Clash. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.